What's up guys, so change of plans with the 240. I've decided that I probably won't be rebuilding the motor that I have on the side. And no, I am not going SR20 either. I'm just probably gonna sell it already, you know? Less stress, can just focus on my truck more. And yeah, it's part of growing up. Just kidding. So the other day my friend messaged me on Instagram asking if I was interested in buying his motor that he was gonna put in his car. The motor's still a KA and it's pretty built, I guess, from like all the parts list that he told me that was in the motor and done to the motor. The motor has forged internals, headwork done to it, cams, aftermarket valve train. It's pretty much a fresh build that hasn't ran yet since he got it back from the machine shop. So I'm hoping that this motor is the one that's not gonna give me problems or blow up on me. I'm heading to his house right now to go pick up the motor, and I'll give you guys an update to see where I'm at and how it goes. Hola mijos. So I'm heading home now. I got the motor in the back, as well as some extra parts he hooked me up with. Brand new Mishimoto radiator, even though I get one already. But he said he wasn't gonna need it, so he just gave it to me. So at least I have some backup parts. The price I got this motor for was like a super good deal. It was a steal, so I couldn't say no. So I'm gonna head over back to my house and unload this guy. So another update guys, I went home and I was trying to rush to take off the motor and stuff, but I had to go to a meeting, so I only took off the trans and everything else I could carry. So the motor is still in the back of the truck, and now I'm at Home Depot about to buy myself a dolly. So I was looking at these dollies right here. Oil 38, Bay 14, and that's aisle 38. Bay 14. Perfect. $27. And that is how you do it, guys. Thank you Home Depot for the dolly. Just kidding guys, I didn't walk out with it. I paid for it. So I just finished work and I got the motor out of the truck and into my workspace. So this is why I bought the dolly yesterday, so I could roll it in from there to here. I kind of started polishing the valve cover a little bit using white diamond metal polish. I think that's one of the best polishes. That's the same polish that I use for my wheels. And I kind of did one part of the manifold. I'm still debating on which manifold I should use, whether I should use this manifold or the one I have in the car right now. And I still gotta put in a dipstick tube, so I'm gonna probably just grab one from these motors. There's still a lot of the stock vacuum lines on this manifold, so if I were to use this manifold I would have to delete all of them, like these ones right here, these four, 1 2 3 4. I'm not too sure where about this one. I cleaned up a lot of vacuum lines on the manifold in the car, but I kind of forgot exactly which ones I was able to delete and which ones I had to keep. So I'd have to go look at that and compare it with this. So if I do use this manifold, I'll just do the exact same thing as I did to that one to this one. Motors everywhere. I'm planning to run Nismotronic management for this motor in hopes that I won't blow it up, because what I had in the car was only the stock ECU with an SAFC, and the SAFC only tunes the fuel and it doesn't tune like the ignition timing. So if I'm boosting and the ignition timing is too much, that's how you can get detonation and pretty much blow your ring lands or your rings, which is what I think happened to this guy. So I'm gonna be removing my ECU and sending it over to Nismotronic to get the daughter board soldered in, and once I get it back and once I get this motor in the car, I can start tuning. So I'm removing the ECU, which is just one 10mm bolt right here. Just gotta get it loosened so this clip can just pop right off. And here it is. It's been a while since I've been in here. Miss driving this thing. So I got the ECU out and just gonna get ready to send it out to Nismotronic, and in the meantime hopefully get this guy inside of the car. I'm pretty tired, guys. Somebody do this for me, please. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. If I should run my original painted silver manifold or this polished manifold on this motor. And this is pretty much just like a short video to update you guys on the progress and plans for 240. I know plans change, but I guess it's happening better than what I expected to. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.